You're using Canva Magic Studio wrong and missing features that could save you hours every week. Most people only scratch the surface of these AI tools while power users are creating professional designs in minutes. Here's the problem: you're probably opening Canva, picking a template, and manually editing everything. You're typing your own text, hunting for the perfect images, and spending forever getting colors just right. Meanwhile, you could be letting AI do 90% of that work for you automatically. Let me show you the 8 game-changing Magic Studio features that most people completely ignore. First, open your Canva workspace and look for the Magic Studio panel on the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click the Apps menu and search for Magic Studio. This is your command center for all AI features. Step 1: Master Magic right beyond basic text. Don't just use it for simple headlines. Click Magic Write in your text box, then use advanced prompts like write 3 different email subject lines for a product launch targeting millennials, or create bullet points explaining complex software features in simple terms. According to Canva's latest feature documentation, Magic Write now understands context from your entire design, so it matches your brand voice automatically. Step 2: Transform Magic Eraser into a design powerhouse. Everyone knows it removes backgrounds, but here's what you're missing. Upload any stock photo, use Magic Eraser to remove specific elements like unwanted text or objects, then use Magic Expand to extend the background and create custom compositions. Click Magic Eraser, brush over any element you want gone, and watch it disappear seamlessly. Step 3: Leverage Magic Resize strategically. Instead of creating separate designs for each platform, build one master design in your preferred size. Then click Magic Resize and select multiple formats simultaneously. The AI automatically adjusts text sizing, repositions elements, and maintains visual hierarchy across every format. This works for social posts, presentations, and print materials. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our advanced design automation series coming next week. Step 4: Use text to image like a professional art director. Don't just type blue car. Try detailed prompts like minimalist line drawing of a vintage convertible, teal color scheme, white background, professional illustration style. The AI generates multiple variations, and you can click any element to modify the style, colors, or composition without starting over. Step 5: Master Magic Animate for dynamic content. Select any element in your design, click Magic Animate, and choose from effects like rise, pan, or breathe. But here's the pro move: animate different elements with different timing. Text can rise while images pan, creating layered motion that looks professionally produced. According to recent user studies, animated social content gets 40% more engagement than static posts. Step 6: Unlock Magic Switch for instant rebranding. This feature copies your design structure but completely changes the aesthetic. Upload a design, click Magic Switch, and choose different themes like corporate, playful, or minimalist. The AI maintains your layout while transforming colors, fonts, and styling to match the new theme perfectly. Step 7: Combine Magic Grab with custom elements. Magic Grab lets you select and move any part of an image independently. Select a person in a photo, move them to a different position, and the AI automatically fills the background. Then use text to image to add complementary elements that match the lighting and style of your modified photo. Step 8: Automate brand consistency with Magic Brand. Upload your logo, brand colors, and sample content. Magic Brand analyzes your visual identity and automatically applies consistent styling across all new designs. When you use Magic Write, it learns your brand voice. When you generate images, they match your color palette. This feature alone can save design teams hours every week. Here are 3 pro tips that separate beginners from experts. First, stack multiple Magic Studio features in sequence. Use text to image to create base graphics, Magic Eraser to refine them, then Magic Animate to bring them to life. Second, save your best AI prompts as templates. Magic Write and text to image remember effective prompts, so you can reuse winning formulas across different projects. Third, use Magic Resize as a creative tool, not just a technical one. Sometimes the AI's automatic adjustments for different formats create better compositions than your original design. The biggest mistake I see is treating these as separate tools instead of an integrated system. Professional designers chain these features together. They start with Magic Write for headlines, use text-to-image for supporting graphics, apply Magic Brand for consistency, then Magic Resize for multi-platform distribution. The entire process takes minutes instead of hours. One advanced technique: use Magic Switch to A/B test design concepts rapidly. Create your base design, then use Magic Switch to generate 3 different stylistic approaches. You can test audience response without manually creating separate versions. According to Canva's internal data, users who leverage Magic Switch see 25% higher engagement rates because they can test more creative variations. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These Magic Studio features aren't just time savers, they're creative multipliers that let you compete with professional design agencies. Master these 8 features, and you'll never look at Canva the same way again. Subscribe for more advanced tutorials that transform how you work with technology, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving deep into AI automation workflows that most people don't even know exist.